everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of logout. On the application of REDnote, we click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find this window of REDnote. And we go here to this page. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.